Alright. Hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome to this Wednesday surprise short stream. Did not plan this at all. Be some continuing of coding stream, and then we shall raid hexagonal for some more weekend. A little bit later, in about an hour or something like that. Maybe a little bit less, depending on how it goes. But yeah, I hope everyone is doing well. Let me turn on some music. The music is on. And now, let's see, is this running? Yes, this is running. Let's refresh. So this is what we had last time. I worked a little bit on it after stream. Basically, I made it round corners, aligned everything, created like a fade drop down that doesn't do anything. Wasn't creating a UI. Also making a color picker and a pop-up kind of thing up to the side, which I think is supposed to react correctly. Nope, never mind. It doesn't matter. We have a nice pop-up for selecting the color, and the hex code here will change accordingly. Need to label everything, and a close button to turn to close this thing. So this is where we are as of now. I think what I want to do next is start to make all the styling modular. It's a process called making tokens, UI tokens. Means instead of using hard-coded values of like font, size, stuff like that, color, we use tokens and update those tokens to different values. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. That's my plan, at least. We'll see how it goes. Okay, let's start with extracting everything into a token. But before that, even having like it's something that manages tokens. I could probably manage everything at the app level, like the highest level, and then send everything into this settings and info box, most likely. Yeah, let's do that. Let me think a little bit. Let me reformat this. This looks wrong. A little bit better. Hopefully, music is okay. It looks okay. Maybe a tiny bit low, but otherwise okay to me. I think I want something to grab all the values. So if we go backward from here, instead of these values, there'll be like a variable, and the variable would come from the props. Would it come from a prop? Or would it come from something else? Hey L, hello. How you doing? And thank you for the 9 months being a QD agent. Thank you for the resub, Twitch baby. Also, congrats on being first. You're now at the top of Twitch chat for the best of stream as first. How would you like to name the Twitch baby? Gotta name it. Gotta give it some kind of name. And having a lot of Twitch babies lately this month. I guess that means it's been 9 months since I started being affiliate. That makes sense. So everyone is just getting Twitch babies at the same time. I could use, I guess, a hook like I did for here. I could also bring it in props. Execute. Execute. Yeah, maybe. Why not? It's kind of like the pattern is simple. You think of something and you add cutie at the end, and becomes a name that works. Not too complicated. Just gotta think about the first half. I'll make this. When you play. Okay, so let's start with something super simple, like rounded corners. Rounded corners. Where is it? For image cover. So it's here. So I want to replace this 8 pixel hexagon shaped slime. Interesting. I mean, a slime can take a lot of different shapes, right? So why not? Style. Is there a way to make style take parameters? There's probably a way. React style take parameters. But in 3 dimension, the hexagon becomes a rhombic dodecahedron. I need to look that up. Because my brain is not working well enough to imagine it. Interesting. So this is a hexagon in two different axes. I see the hexagon on the first axis and on the second axis. But it's actually all made from diamonds. Fascinating. That is fascinating. Yes, and it tessellates perfectly in 3D, just like hexagon tessellates in 2D. Nice. There's this picture here that intrigues me. It's basically you cut the corners and stretch it to the center of each side and becomes that. So it has interesting properties because of it. It's basically a perfectly divided cube. Alright. Like if each face has its own new summit. Yeah, each face has its own new summit. Wikipedia has a cool animation for it. Click here for rotating model. Ooh. I see. I want an interactive one. Interactive. Matte is fun. Okay, so this is not the correct one. Dodecahedron. But not quite. Cube. Rhombic icosahedron. Interesting. There's no like search anything? Oh, here. Here. There we go. explode. Oh. Yeah, so it's all diamonds. Okay, so you can kind of imagine a cube, and then each face has a new spike on it or something. I don't like the interaction. It just follows the mouse. The further it is, the faster it spins in that direction. Not quite interactive, but okay. Nice. Or you could also say it's like 3 cubes. Wait, is it 3? I see 1 cube here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it like 2 cubes fused? Does that work? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Yeah, it's 2 cubes fused. So you take 2 cubes, you break them out, and then you fuse them. You merge them. That's interesting. I forgot what I was looking for. Oh yeah. Yes. Okay. Just add a parameter. I think. Yeah. Just make it fall. You filled for it. So it is rounded. Parenthesis. And then probably call this, change its name a little bit. Use style. Let's make this a const. Constant. And style. Use style. For now, true. So everything else should still work the same. No. Yes, no, no. Oh, it's if I'm outside? Yeah, it's if I'm outside. Oh, interesting. So we need to pass in the star into each of these. Yeah, for all of them, I'll just pass in style. Whatever it is. Hi, Wolfie. Come here for science and booty. I don't know how much science you'll find, but so far you can find some math and some coding. These two needs so progress and image. So progress score. So progress and image. Line 105. 105 is title. Title also needs styles. And this one, artist also needs style. PSR also install actually. Everything install. Everything is in style. Oh, how you doing, Wolfie? Under here, artist, there, and do the same up here. Maybe coding language expert, teach me. You want me to teach you? Have you coded before? You good? Happy to hear that. Okay, no more errors. In theory, this should work. Well, I mean, nothing visible is changing. All I did is extract the value out into a variable. I can call this rounded and actually, instead of is rounded, could change it to roundness border radius. Let's keep it simple. Border radius and then we have to define it up here. Instead of true, it's 8 pixel. Can I do this? It's equal and put border radius. There we go. Now this should work. Now everything has rounded corner. Oh, not everything, but this image here has a very tiny rounded corner. I don't know if you can even see it on screen. But if I change this to like 0 pixel, it should be called, yeah, pointy corners. Maybe it'll be more visible if I put it here. I can change this to 8 rounded. I could change it to anything bigger, right? 40 pixels, and then it becomes very rounded. Like I could do like 50%, which is like basically a circle. A circle, but we want it to like 8. It's a little. You stopped for some reason a while ago. I'm curious, what language did you learn, or like what kind of coding did you do? What kind of coding do you do? CSS. Ooh, okay. I see. So mostly styling stuff. Where Wolfie was in style. So you got border radius. Dab. So let's move this a little bit. And now we can start plugging stuff. So props, maybe we can do is rounded. If yes, 8 pixels, otherwise 0 pixel. And then we have to go up to the app, and then for menu is rounded equal, so let's say true. So now it's rounded corners. Let me just exaggerate it so it's visible for stream. 24 pixels. So now this is rounded, and then we can do is rounded false, and then it will not be rounded anymore. Magical. Oh, not really magical, but you know what I mean. Let's organize this into something nice, and then let's do a bunch of them. So let's see. Is rounded is true. I should switch these two. So the true is when it's on. Oh, let's do that before I forget. Rounded corner. Base. Corners. It's not actually doing anything yet, and it will be on by default. Default checked. Oh, it's on. Okay, so now let's start adding a bunch of those. Now that we have this, the general structure for it. So we got is rounded, is right, is bottom, is right align. It's false by default. Is bottom align. Oh, false. Or maybe I should do all the. Everything should be false by default. So is square instead of is rounded, and just flip is square, is square, false, and then info box gotta fix that. Is square, is square, is square, and then flip this. Oops. So if it's square, then 0 pixel, otherwise 24. So everything is false by default. That's the strategy I want to do. So it's just false by default. And then I'll have to reflip this again. Because, dumb. Round and square. So I want everything to be false by default. There's options to turn on. That way the default looks the way I want it. So it's false is right align. Let's see. We also need the font. The font. I'll have to create something for it. Let's just make a font value that is small for now, and I'll deal with it later. Text color. Text color and outline color. Outline color. Also make those just random values for now. Text color, well, not fully random. Default would be white. And border color, outline color. The black. But fully visible, and white fully visible. So those are the default values I will use. So we got a bunch of default values, and then I have to make something so the settings can change those. Now let's apply those values. So let's go to info box. Then probably want to do something like this. Try to align it. Border radius, and then I want. Let's see. What is the value you want to place for the right align? It should be like a true or false, because there's a bunch of things to change. So is right align. This one I think I can use it there. So props dot is right align. Same for the left. Props is left align. What else? The font color, outline color, yeah, those I can use directly. So props, font, props, that's color, props, outline color. For now. And then with all of that, guess I could copy all of that now. Down, oops, here. There is a roof. Props for each of them. Align all of these. Yes. I have all those values. Font. I guess font would replace this, right? So font now should be deco. With the default. Then I can pass in a little font. Then if I want to test, I can just change this to Calibri, for example. Yes, it changes to Calibri. Alright, yeah. Hi Prisma, how you doing? Alright, that works. What was the other one? Monster Cat? Deco. What was it? Wingding? Wingding? I don't know how to write those. Penis have a cookie? Thank you, Prisma. What's the name of that? Wait, Wingding font. Google Wingding. Okay. Is it Wingdings? Wingdings. I just want to test. See what it looks like. If someone decided that Wingdings was the font to use. Oh, it's so cursed. Good. Happy to hear that. I'm doing good. I'm tired from work and sad that McDonald's disappointed me, but otherwise good. So now, if you are so inclined, you could have your Beat Saber overlay in Wingding. Ain't gonna stop people from using it. I would recommend Deco. What happened with the McDonald's? So I ordered McDonald's like a bunch of stuff, including a Happy Meal because they have the Pokemon thing happening. But there was no Happy Meal when they delivered, so that was disappointing. That's pretty much it. Segway UI. Yeah. Let's see. I never remember those. Oops. Consolas. Yeah, okay, it works. So I made it so that we can change the font. Next is, let's do the alignment. Right align. Let's see. I guess this one. If we right align right, lowest left. So if I change the value to true, okay, now it's very broken, but my goal is to fix it with this. Plug this all everywhere I do. So this is fine. Flex direction row. That should be fine. Here, align item. I probably need to invert these to like flex N. Maybe. And progress circle. Numbs out. I don't think that's a good idea. So let's go over it. Image. So the image on the other side now. How did that happen? Oh, right line. So this one is right aligned correctly. You're not edible. Are you? You get a large XC with a medium booty. That's not on the menu, Wolfie. That's not on the menu. Let me put something shorter so it doesn't scroll. Fit data. Where's my fit data? Fit data. Name is just harder. And reload. Okay. Now let's try to fix it. Actually make it a large. That's still not on the menu. Okay, let's see. The way I structured this, to start with a box that has the main box. That's fine. So the main box needs to be on the other side. Alright. Main box. Let's go over there. Let's give it a color so we can track where it is. So this box is here. I want this box to be on the other side, look for left. That means flex direction. Let's see. So the text is along the other side, that's fine. Flex direction. E and U? What do you mean? I need to experiment. Because I don't know web dev enough. So div here. Main box. Font family. Wait, which one is it? Block. Enter. Okay, this one is the box. Flex direction. What are the options? Row reverse. Aha! Okay, I do want that. So I want right align to do row reverse. Okay, so we got row reverse. Next up, let's see. We want to move the entire thing over. So now, interesting. Maybe I'll keep text align normal for now. Let's refresh. Okay. How do I bring this box to the other side? This is a box. Maybe if I give like a margin left of 0, would that work? No. I'm L. I've been well. How about you? How are you doing? Trying to figure out how to bring this red box to this side. Might need to just Google it. How to align div to the left of this. Name is glowing. Indeed, with 7 TV, right? No bat, can't sleep, 3 a.m. Oof, that's rough. Whoa, that was weird. Did sound bug out for anyone else? Wait, not left. Right. Align with fixed position. Alright, maybe. It did a little bug? Yeah, it bugged for me too. It was weird. Doggo! Okay, so position fixed, then right. That's it? Just position fixed and then right. That sounds very simple. Let's try it. Position fixed and then right 0. Wow. Okay. That's pretty simple. Let's do that. So let's we need to organize stuff in here. So we got color, we got text, we got sizing. Text here. So let's move this to text. Okay. Here. Position fixed. And then right. So if is right align, then do 0 pixel. Otherwise do auto. I assume auto is the solution. Let's try it. Auto. Yeah. So 0 brings it over. So with this is bottom, not left or right. Did I write left? Yeah, it's supposed to be bottom left. Okay, so if I refresh this is now right align, and then I can do false, flip back true. Okay, now I need to flip the text over to this side. Getting close, getting close. So we've got these. I guess next is the info container. Fux direction column. That's fine. Additional info line. That's this line here, the middle line. So instead of row, I can do this right align to get row reverse. Oops. Question mark here. Did that work? No. I should experiment again. Alright, let's dig into it. Here. Oh, not this box. This box here. Dig in. Some padding here. Information box. Now we got this one here. Marquee container. Flex row. So the marquee container is overriding it. That means that I'm using something to override it. React fast marquee. Let's look it up. Usage property. Style for the inline. Okay. So maybe the style of the marquee is what I need. The marquee is a text that can scroll on itself, if you did not know. For example, if I put, let's have my fake data. I just put a very long text up here and refresh. The title will become a marquee. It will scroll. It looks a bit broken, but you know, that's a marquee. Let's start with getting this look correct. So info box, render title. Let's start with the title. The title has a marquee that does not have a style. Okay. But the label has a style. Interesting. Could I plug the style into the marquee? Would that work? That did not work. What is in here? What is in map label? Map title label. Map title label. Where is it? Here. Font, margin, align, top, padding right. Padding right. Padding should be here, I feel like. Wait, no. For the... I see. I remember now. This is to make space within the text. Okay, so this is fine. That means I need a marquee style. Marquee style. That I will plug into the marquee style. And then now we can modify that thing. And then probably with X align, I want to just test, right? Or flex it. No. Maybe it's just the file. Marquee. Is there more information? Ooh. Example. Hover to pause. Call to click to pause. Wider. Docs. Style. Oops. Inline. Class name. Play. Pause. Direction. Interesting. Oh. Want to find a marquee. So the marquee is taking the entire thing. I guess I could flip it to the other way, but the text would scroll the wrong way. I just want it to be aligned by default here. How would I do that? Play, direction, speed, delay, loop. Is that like an offset? Would that be delay? Duration to delay animation after render. Maybe. I'll try direction first. See how it looks. So marquee, render, artist running the title, direction, and it's left or right. So let's try right. That didn't seem to do anything. Okay, so direction is not what I need. Just for testing, let's put the value in here. And if I change it to the left, okay, so it changes the direction of the scroll, but that's not what I want. I still want it to scroll left all the time. So that's not it. Speed. So delay, maybe. Let's put the value in it. Bigger value? No. Even bigger? Maybe back to the speed. Oh. So it stops after a certain time. Then it's just like a stop. Stop scrolling. Kind of thing. Interesting. Very interesting. Let's see. I wonder what's the correct solution. Maybe the marquee doesn't have what you need. I guess instead of a marquee, what I need is just switch it to a normal text. Then I can align it wherever I want. Maybe the marquee is the thing that's blocking me. So let's do that. It'll be a simple solution. So, stop. So for the text, I would need the left or right thing. So is right align. Let's keep it for both these. PSR is probably fun because it doesn't scroll. So if this one I do is right align, I'll just switch it. If it's a right align thing, just display a normal. Wait, no. What I need to check is if it's big enough to scroll. So text width. Text width. Speed. Okay, if speed is larger than 0, then do the marquee. Otherwise, do a normal text. I guess this one, this text. Okay, so now it should not be a marquee anymore. And I can verify that. Yeah, it's not a marquee anymore. Which means can probably I need to edit this style. Map title. I'll just duplicate it. But one is marquee, title marquee, label, and the other one not marquee. Not marquee, I'll remove this part and go back up too far. And this one, key, label. So there's a different one now, which means this one doesn't have a padding anymore. And I can do justify content and right. No, it's not justify content. Text align. Yeah, text align, right. So for this one, marquee label, we can check is right aligned. Somehow I'll do it. Text align is right align. Then it's right. Otherwise, it's left. Okay, and then repeat the same thing for artist label. Artist marquee label. But actually, for the artist, does it matter? No, it doesn't matter. You just add the same thing for artist label and for the PSR. And then I just need to do similar for this one. I don't even need this right line here. You just check the speed and do the same check. If speed is over 0, marquee, else just use the inside. Here we go. Now we got this aligned correctly. I can put back a long name. Refresh. Hey, it works. And then in the app, you can just swap this from false to true, or true to false, to swap the entire thing. Alright, that works. Now that we got it right and left thing worked out, now we need to do the top down. So let's turn this back to false and do the bottom align. Very, very similar. So bottom align is already defined. So let's start by bringing the entire box down. Bottom is bottom aligned. If yes, 0 pixel. Otherwise, auto. Then let's make it true. Test. Hey, that works. And I can combine the two of them, right? Bottom and right. Okay. Now let's reorganize this. I want to flip all of this. Title at the bottom, this to the middle, and PSR at the top. So to do that, what I need to do is change the order of stuff. Flex direction. I think this is what is bottom align. If yes, column reverse, maybe. I'm just guessing here. No. Let's take a look at it. This is a box. Flex direction. Reverse. If I change it to row. Oh wait, this is not even changing anything. What's up with this? This should be the one changing it. Let's refresh. Box. To this smaller box. Marquee. Yeah. Text. So If it's not column, maybe it's this one? Flex and? No. Flex. Is this one not doing anything? Column. Because usually if I change to row, it should break this, I think. But it's not. I mean, something else is acting on it. And if something else is acting on it, let's see. Main box. Row reverse. I don't think this is the one, is it? It could be. Let me delete this entire line. Okay. And let's just test that didn't break anything. So true. Oh, I did break something. So that was not it. Okay, I need this. Because that's the box that controls like your left and right part. Okay, okay. X position fixed. So it's info container, I'm pretty sure. Is this not doing anything? I guess it's not doing anything. Is this one doing anything? Well, it's not doing anything, really. Interesting. Everything still looks fine. Okay. Guess I get to remove stuff. Artist label. Separator. No, nothing here. You refresh one more time. Grab it. Look at the box. So right now, align item is text start, text align left. Text. Okay, so it's inheriting from a div, which is not exactly what I want. So I guess if I do display flex, oh, okay, that's where it starts breaking. And then flex direction, column, and column reverse. Aha! Okay, so this is what I need to do. I need to add the flex, and then direction will do stuff. So let's add that. Display flex, and flex direction is bottom align. If yes, column reverse, otherwise just column. Why do I have a scroll bar here? I don't want a scroll bar. What is this? It's probably what I deleted here. Let me revert that. Where's my change? Where is it? The additional line here. Copy and bring it back. Oh, actually it's not. Okay. Why is this getting a scroll bar now? Margin 0. Marquee. partly. What else did I remove that I need to bring back? This is useful. I can see the difference what I've done so far. And I see that L is now live. So we will be joining them very shortly. They're not live yet, but as soon as they are, we'll be joining them. So for now, let's just keep looking at it. Let's try to fix it. So this is fine. Flex direction, go live. Flip. What's up, Wolfie? I removed it. Oh wait, no, I added this. Added those. Flex direction. Oh, I guess it's a flex add. Maybe. In the info container. Yeah. I think that part doesn't make sense. Let's test it. So if I remove this and this, does that fix it? No. It didn't fix. Why? Well, at least almost everything else works. Wait, this one didn't work. I broke something again. One of those did something important. Yeah. Which one? Justify? Okay, so this one was important. Yeah, this is the one I need to keep. But I don't understand this. Why scroll bar? High scroll bar. Div. Overflow hidden. Maybe. For the title label or the marquee. Oh. Okay, that fixes it. Don't know why there's a scroll bar? Just hide it. Easy. Not an actual true solution, but it works, so I'm not going to complain. Okay, so that direction worked, this direction also worked. Now at the bottom, that works. All four corner works. You can remove the red now. Make it look nice again. Like this. Okay, this bottom corner. Bottom right. Top right. Top left. Okay, we got the all corners alignment working. It's now not fully ready yet, so let's keep going for a little bit more. So we've got the corners working. We got the square corners working. And we got the left and right working. Reduce this to 8 again. What else? Okay, so reduce right bottom. Next is and font also works. So next is color. Just need to type the colors in. So text color should be pretty simple actually. So text color should just be plugged into here. Color. And now if I put a different color, like the famous 8B0000, that did not work. Why not? Text color, text color. Text color. Why not? Do I need to refresh? No. Oh. Why no working? $83000. Oh, that works. Okay, so the alpha and the text makes it not work. So let's remove the alpha. And now if I change it to black, yeah, then change it to white, to like green, yeah, to blue, all works. Okay, so we got a color plugged in. Next is the outline. Outline color. I think it's this. Yeah, this looks like it. By color, let's replace this with a special kind of string and replace these with outline colors. Okay, now outline should work. Maybe not transparency, I'm not sure. So right now it's black. Let's make it red. That works. With transparency, yes, that works. Okay. Again, let's make it green. Yep. Then let's make it blue. Now let's make it black. But like transparent. Yeah, that works. The darker or fully black. Okay. We got the outline working. Hey, everything is plugged in. Now we just need to make the menu to actually change those values. But before we do that, let's see. L is on. So let's go and raid L. So thank you all for hanging out. It's been about an hour. Shorter stream like usual, but we will stream again tomorrow. I think I'll play some games tomorrow. We'll see. Ooh. I'll announce it on the Discord, depending on what I feel like. But now let's join L for some VCAT. I will be joining as well, so you won't miss me for too long. Let's get over there and send our raid message. What program is that? You mean this? This is Visual Studio Code. I'm using the code. Oops, I did not mean to minimize everything. And the browser is just Chrome. This is just Chrome. Chrome with Visual Studio Code. But yeah, let's head over to L. Let's use a little great message. Let's see. QD joins the which for VP. This is a raid message as we go raid L for some VCAT. I'll be joining in a few minutes, so don't go anywhere. I'll be there. Thank you everyone for hanging out today. I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye.